So you've dipped your toes into the crypto pool, and maybe you're holding Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, or even some Doge. But where do you stash that digital currency? Storing it is just as vital as scoring it. And if you pick the wrong spot, you might find your coin disappearing like a Snapchat story. There are two primary ways to store your crypto, but here's the kicker. With one of them, you don't truly own your crypto. In this video, we'll dive into the different types of storage, breaking down the benefits and drawbacks of each method. And by the end, you'll have the basics sorted out so you can make decisions about where to safeguard your digital currencies. Welcome to Crypto Keys. This is a place where we make crypto simple, one video at a time. Just a quick note, this is not financial advice. We're just here to help you learn. Before we dive into storage options, let's lay some groundwork. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin aren't stored in your typical bank account, and you don't exactly hold them in a physical wallet. Instead, crypto is purely digital, and what you really own are the keys to access your funds.
Cryptography systems are based on mathematical problems so complex they cannot be solved without a key.
Here's how it works. You've got a public key, which is like your bank account number. It's how others send you crypto. But then there's your private key. It's like your secret password. Only you should have it. If someone else gets a hold of your private key, well, it could be game over. They can take full control of your crypto. So yeah, keeping those keys safe, kind of a huge deal.
Where is the money?
All right, back to storing your crypto. First up, exchanges. If you're new to crypto, exchanges are like the easy button. You press it, and everything you need to buy, sell, or trade is laid out for you. Popular exchanges like Coinbase act like convenient stores for crypto. You log in, and boom, you've got access to all your coins without needing to worry about the technical side of things. And hey, if you get stuck, customer support is usually just a chat away. Here's the catch. Just like a bank, when you use an exchange like Coinbase, you're trusting them to keep your assets safe. There's a saying in the crypto world, not your keys, not your coins, meaning if you don't control the private keys, you don't truly own the crypto. And if the exchange gets hacked or goes down, your funds could disappear because they have the keys.
Stick to the golden rule. Keep your coins on your own wallet. Not your keys, not your coins.
Want some real-life examples? Let's rewind to 2014, when Mt. Gox was the heavyweight champ of Bitcoin exchanges.
Mt. Gox unexpectedly shut down today.
In a shocking twist, hackers pulled off the heist of a century, vanishing with 850,000 Bitcoins, worth a staggering $450 million at the time. Fast forward to 2022, and Sam Bankman-Fried led FTX straight off a cliff.
His $32 billion cryptocurrency exchange, FTX, goes bankrupt in a matter of days. $8.9 billion in customer funds are missing.
This eye-opening chapter not only highlighted the risks of relying on exchanges, but also pushed many investors to embrace cold storage wallets as they scrambled to secure their digital assets. That brings us to self-custody. When you go this route, you become the guardian of your own crypto. No middlemen, no exchanges. Self-custody comes in two flavors: hot wallets and cold wallets. So what's the difference? Hot wallets, like MetaMask or Phantom, are online and connected to the internet. Think of them like your PayPal or Venmo, easy to access your funds whenever you need them. But since they're online, they're more vulnerable to hacks. So while hot wallets are super convenient, they might not be the safest option if you're holding a large amount of crypto.
We have a zero bug attacking all login and overlay files.
Run antivirus. Give me a systems display.
On the flip side, there are cold wallets.
I imagine you might be rather cold.
Which are like the Fort Knox of crypto storage. They store your private keys offline, far from danger. Popular examples of these are Ledger or Trezor wallets, which are basically USB-like devices where your private keys are safely stored. If you lose the device, it's not game over yet. You can still access your funds with a recovery phrase, which is a set of 12 to 24 words. But if you lose that phrase, you're locked out for good.
This guy is out of $225 million because he can't remember his password. Stefan Thomas invested in the digital currency Bitcoin back in 2011 when it sold for just $2. Today, it sells for $35,000 per Bitcoin. Here's the problem. 10 years ago when he bought Bitcoins, he threw out the password.
There are plenty of stories over the years of people hiding their recovery phrases in interesting spots. One guy thought he was clever, hiding it in a fake plant until the house sitter decided to water it. So yeah, even cold storage isn't foolproof. Pro tip, keep your recovery phrase offline in a secure, fireproof, and waterproof location. And please don't forget where you put it.
All the coin I had from the ICO that worked was on a USB thumb drive. My dumb housekeeper threw out my jeans because they were ripped, even though I paid more for the ripped ones, and the thumb drive was in the pocket. So 300 million in crypto is buried out here somewhere.
But here's the deal. Cold wallets can be a bit cumbersome and are not as simple to use as exchanges. However, they are the only sure way to truly own the keys to your crypto. So let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We explored the two main methods of storing your cryptocurrency. One option, exchanges, offers ease of access but involves trusting a third party, meaning you might not have full ownership of your bags. The other provides top-notch security, allowing you to maintain control, but may require a bit more effort to manage. So, what's your style? Do you like the ease of an exchange? Or are you ready to take control with self-custody? Let us know in the comments. Maybe, like many, you'll even use a mix of both. Whatever you choose, just remember, not your keys, not your coins. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Keys. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share this alpha with a friend. Catch you in the next one.
A British man accidentally threw away a hard drive. It contained 7,500 Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, the crypto inside that hard drive is worth more than $350 million. His name is James Howells. He's an IT worker from Wales. Over the past 8 years, he's been on a mission to find that hard drive by digging through his local dump.